You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. A fascinating word, one simple word, but yeah, many get it wrong. So let's go through. Geography, by the way. If you want to learn more correct pronunciations in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you, including country names. G-R, the Americans would say more of an R, geography, but British English pronunciation here is as geography. Stress on that O syllable. How to pronounce in English. English pronunciation, geography. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.